Many new beautiful pictures of Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas have been shared on social media. Yes, guys. Yağmur was wearing a stylish, beautiful orange, indeed a multicolored cap on her head, and she also shared a new picture with the beautiful friends at the set of Çiçekleri. Yes, guys. Yağmur was looking so much happy and delighted. Baris Baktas and Yağmur Yüksel have shared a beautiful sharing on social media that is liked and admired by the fans a lot, and it had caught up a lot of attention on social media. So Yağmur Yüksel and Baris Baktas new beautiful sharing has been shared.